Hey everybody, this is Ben once again, and welcome back to another video. This time around, I am continuing my videos of the animal kingdom. And in this video, I'm going to focus on another unique group of invertebrates that also have soft bodies. And these groups of invertebrates are Cnidarians. Now, when you think of Cnidarians, you often think of corals and sea anemones, but jellyfish are also part of that group as well. And these animals are definitely no exception when it comes to their unique features. And so, sit back, relax, and take it all in as I dive you into the world of Cnidarians. And there you will learn amazing and unique facts of what makes these animals very different from all the other organisms. There are those of you who are wondering, what are Cnidarians? Cnidarians belong to a group of animals called invertebrates, animals without backbones, and they're part of the phylum Cnidaria. There are many different kinds of Cnidarians, and they include jellyfish, corals, crinoids, and sea anemones. Cnidarians are one of the most diverse group of invertebrates, and their habitats range from freshwater rivers to tropical oceans around the world. Unlike most other animals, Cnidarians are characterized by their boneless bodies, and they lack the ability to breathe or have brains. Their ability to adapt to many different environments makes them one of the most unique animals in the world. The first Cnidarians appeared about 540 million years ago during the Cambrian period in a time called the Paleozoic era. During that time, they were among the first animals to live and evolve in the prehistoric oceans. During the Ordovician, around 490 million years ago, Cnidarians became more diverse and abundant in the prehistoric oceans that they called home. As the Paleozoic progressed, these creatures continued their amazing abundance and evolution throughout prehistoric times. By the Mesozoic era, Cnidarians continued to evolve and diversify rapidly, and throughout that time they became pretty successful. By the early to mid-Cenozoic, during a time of the Paleogene and all the way up to the Pleistocene, Cnidarians continued to diversify rapidly, with some species evolving into their modern forms. Today's Cnidarians are the living examples of how these animals are so successful in the world that they inhabit today. Now we'll talk about another unique trait that Cnidarians have, and this time around it will focus entirely on their unique and amazing body features. Cnidarians have a wide variety of different traits that make them very different from a lot of other animals. For starters, they lack hard external skeletons on the inside of their bodies, and because of their soft bodies, it enables them to have more flexibility when they move around in their environment. Although some species, like jellyfish, use their tentacles for jet propulsion and capturing their food, others, like the sea anemones, use their tentacles only for stinging their prey while sitting around the bottom. But other species, like the sea urchins, use their spines for self-defense, in a defense that would certainly prove useful against predators. No matter the features, all Cnidarians are very unique, making them very different from a lot of other animals. Cnidarians are found in all kinds of ocean habitats. They can be found in freshwater rivers and warm tropical oceans around the world. And they are so well adaptable that they are found widely distributed in the world's oceans, making them a very adaptable creature. And throughout that, they have evolved to be one of the best known animals to thrive here. Their ability to adapt and survive in many kinds of ocean environments makes these animals one of the most unique and successful creatures in the world. Cnidarians are carnivores, meaning that they only feed on meat. Some species, like jellyfish, use their tentacles for capturing small prey like small fish, while others, like the sea anemones, will use their basic tentacles to sting their prey before it literally gets devoured. They play an ecological role in keeping the oceans healthy, making them very unique among the world of animals. Cnidarians have a wide variation of different movements, and that can vary greatly depending on the species. Some, like the jellyfish, use their bodies to jet propel themselves through the water, while the sea urchins only use their bodies to walk around the sea bottom. Sea anemones, on the other hand, only sit around the bottom, whilst their tentacles move with the currents. Their wide variation of movements makes cnidarians one of the most unique looking animals to inhabit their natural world. Now let's focus on another fact about cnidarians. And this time I'm going to talk to you about how they defend themselves and of the many different predators that they have to avoid. Cnidarians have a wide variety of different defenses, and this can vary depending on the species. While jellyfish use their stinging tentacles for self-defense, along with sea anemones, the sea urchins use their spines as a method of protection against predators. The reason that cnidarians fall prey to other predators is because of the fact that they are in danger for being eaten. Their ability to defend themselves and try to survive against predators makes these animals one of the most unique organisms. Cnidarians have different methods of reproduction. Some use sexual reproduction, while others reproduce asexually. Regardless of the different methods, all species of cnidarians start out as larvae, which then hatch from the eggs. And over the next few years, when they develop, they eventually grow into full-fledged adults, so that in a few months they will eventually start the life cycle all over again. This ability to reproduce and develop makes cnidarians one of the most successful and unique group of animals on the planet. Cnidarians are in danger in the world's oceans, not only from global warming, but most of all by the fact that some humans tend to overhunt as they destroy their natural environment. Luckily, there's conservation efforts that still have hope and effort to save the species, so that this way cnidarians can have a sustainable future in the world's oceans that they live in. Well, that's all for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video about cnidarians, and if you really liked this video, feel free to like, comment, share, and or subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video when I talk about mollusks. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and as always, until next time, I'll see y'all later. See ya.